In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage on Ctrader. Before we begin, a quick note on context. Leverage controls how much market exposure you get for the capital in your trading account, and it also affects your margin requirements and risk. Higher leverage amplifies both gains and losses, so make changes thoughtfully and consider practicing on a demo account first. Start by opening Ctrader. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whichever you normally trade on. Make sure you're signed in to the account you intend to modify, since leverage is applied at the account level. If you manage multiple accounts, glance at the account selector to confirm you're in the right one before making any changes. Next, open the chart you're working with. This step keeps your workspace focused on the instrument you're actively monitoring, and it helps you confirm the effect of your change later when you look at margin requirements on the order ticket. Any chart is fine. The goal is simply to have your trading layout in front of you. Now head to Settings at the bottom left corner of Ctrader. On most layouts, you'll see a gear icon or a settings label tucked into the lower left of the platform. If your platform window is compact, you might need to widen the panel slightly to reveal it. Click it to open the settings area. Within Settings, click the Properties tab. Tabs are usually laid out along the left or across the top, and Properties is the one that centralizes key account and platform parameters. Give the panel a second to load if your connection is busy. Look for the leverage drop-down and choose the value you want. You'll typically see options such as 110, 130, 150, 100, or higher, depending on your broker and region. Keep in mind that a higher ratio reduces the margin required per trade but increases risk. For example, moving from 130 to 100 means the required margin for the same position decreases, allowing larger position sizes. But adverse moves will also impact your equity more quickly. If the drop-down is grayed out, your broker may restrict changes from within the platform. In that case, you'll need to contact support or use your broker's account portal to request an adjustment. Finally, save or confirm the change. Click Apply, Save, or OK, depending on your interface, and wait for the confirmation. To verify it worked, reopen Properties to confirm the selected leverage, or open a new order ticket and compare the margin required for a standard position size. That's it. You've changed leverage in Ctrader safely and deliberately. Trade carefully and adjust only when your risk plan supports it.